Okay, so let's give you guys some more random integration problems. So somehow integrate this from -1 to 1. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to integrate this, realize that when you differentiate this, so realize that when you differentiate inverse tan of x, you will get this thing here. So when you're trying to integrate this, realize that when you differentiate this, you will get this thing here. But then this thing here is very similar to this thing here. So you should have a hunch that you should make this to be your substitution. So let this bit here be u. So hang on. So to integrate this, let this be u. Now if u equals this thing here, then if you differentiate both sides, then this side will be du. Differentiate this, it will then be this. But then when you're here, you ultimately want to replace this dx here. So make this dx a subject. So times both sides by this thing here, and that will then take you to here. So now dx equals this thing. So if we put this into the dx here, and then this complicated thing here, put the u into that complicated thing here, and then later on, this thing here will get cancelled out with this thing here. Okay, so if you put everything into here, then this whole thing here will then become this, and then this is exactly the same as this. So these two will cancel out, leaving you with e to the power of u. But we still need to make the adjustments here, because here we are integrating with respect to x. We made our substitution, and then we are now in the du realm. So we need to sort out our adjustments here. So to sort out the adjustments, remember in the dx realm we were integrating from -1 to 1, and then we made this substitution. And then this substitution will then take us into the du realm. So we've got to work this out, and we've got to work this out. So whether back into the dx world, we are integrating from -1 to 1. So we are integrating from x equals -1 to 1. So if you look at this. Dx, we are integrating from -1 to 1. So hang on. So if you look at the triangle, let's say this is 1, this is 1. So arctan of x, arctan of 1. Remember, we are integrating from -1 to 1. Let's look at this case here when it's 1. So when it's 1, arctan is this thing here. Arctan of 1. Arctan of 1 is when you have a triangle of height 1, base of 1. That arctan of 1 is really this angle here. So arctan of 1, arctan of 1 is really this angle here when the height is 1 and the across here is 1. So it's really pi over 4. Really, it's really 45 degrees, which is pi over 4. So in the dx realm, we are integrating from -1 to 1. But then this one here well, if you put it into here, arctan of 1 will give you u being equal to pi over 4. So this will be pi over 4. And then because arctan is symmetrical, the negative one will be -pi over 4. We'll make the adjustment. I didn't explain it very well, but if you make the adjustment, it will be this. It will be -pi over 4 to pi over 4. So integrate this. It will then give you this, and then now it's a matter of this take away this. Okay, so now it's a matter of this, which is this bit here, take away this, which is this. So this is your overall answer. Okay.